Away from that, former Kwale woman representative Zainabu Chidzuga will be buried today at her home in Golini, Matuga sub-county. Chidzuga died on Thursday morning while receiving treatment at Reliance Hospital in South Sea, Nairobi. National and county leaders are expected to attend the burial, which will take place after the Muslims' Friday prayer. Her body has landed at Kwale. She died at the age of 65. Chidzuga was the director of the National Irrigation Board. She started her political career in ODM and was elected the first Kwale woman representative in 2013. The delegation that received the body include CAS Gideon Mongaro, Brigadier Mwathethe, former Chief of Defense Forces, Ali Chirau Mwakwere, former Matuga MP, George Kipi, lawyer, and the family members.